Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we discussed about fgetters, that is how to get the sequence of characters from the file. Well, in today's video we will discuss about fprintf, that is how to print formatted data to a file. So we will see how to use fprintf with the complete program and also with the execution. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. fprintf. fprintf, it's a function that is used to write formatted data to a file stream, to a specific file stream. Formatted data in the sense it is any kind of data. So we have seen this getters, getC, putters, putC. It is going to get the character type of data and it is going to put the character type of data. But how to manage with integer, character, float value? So it is the different format of data that what we handle with files sometimes. So every time we cannot store only characters, or every time we cannot store only integer or float. There may be the combination of all these type of data that what we need to store into the file. In such scenario, we can use this formatted function to store multiple type of data. So formatted function fprintf is called as formatted function because it can handle multiple type of data. Multiple type of data in the sense it can be integer, it can be float, it can be character array, anything. So formatted data means multiple type of data we can write into the file using fprintf. So it is just like printf. Like we all know how this printf is going to print the data onto the console. So instead of printing to the standard output console, what this fprintf will do, it is going to write formatted data to a specified file stream. Printf is going to print formatted data onto the console, whereas fprintf is going to print formatted data to a file. So how to use this fprintf function? File pointer to point to the file. The format string, that is format specifiers, that what we need to use here to specify the format of data that what we are going to write into the file. So if I want to print integer, I say %d. If it is string, %s, float, %f. So format specifiers. Followed with that, the variable names we need to provide. So for example, so we have an example here. fprintf, so file pointer is fp. Within double quotes, we need to specify the format strings, then the variable names. I want to print integer, so it is in register number. I want to print a string, it is in name, to the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So let us see the complete program to understand how the fprintf is used to print formatted data to a file. Here we go with the complete program to understand this fprintf, that is how to print formatted data into the file. So as usual, we have all these members, employee ID, employee name, that is variables we have created. I say the file pointer fp, open the file, new file f12.txt in write mode. So I am trying to write the data into the file. If it is not pointing to that file, then it will hold null. Then I'll be getting a message and unable to open the file. If not, control will be to this point. I'll say enter the employee ID. I'll say %d. Like normal, through console, we need to scan the values. So initially when I say I have to write the data, means I have to accept the data from the console. So I'm going to scan the data. So I'm going to accept into employee ID. Then I say employee name, say emp name, %s. Array name will give you the base address, so ampersand is not required. Then say enter employee salary, so I say %f ampersand of emp sal. So once all the data is taken from the console, it is taken from the console, I have to print that using fprintf. To the file pointed to by the file pointer fp, format string, integer, string, float, in the variable name, emp id, emp name and emp sal. So I am going to open the file f12.txt and whatever data I have taken from the console will be written here into the file. So print that data, formatted data into the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So fp is pointing to say some location, say 2000 means it is pointing to this file and I am writing all these data to the file. Then finally close the file with fclose. Now let us see the execution of this. Here we go with the program to understand fprintf. So we have declared three variables. One is of integer type, employee ID. The other one employee name and employee salary. So we have opened the file pointer fp and we are opening the file f12.txt in write mode. So if the pointer points to null, then I should get a message unable to open the file. If not, the control will be to this point. So as usual, initially we have to get the values from the console. So I say enter employee ID, enter employee name and employee salary. So all the values will be taken as it is, like how we take the values from the console. Then we have this fprintf. So fprintf print the data, formatted data, say integer data, string data and float data to the file pointed to by file pointer in the variable names employee ID, employee name and employee salary. So let us save this file and run the program. So enter the employee ID. So I say 2345. Employee name, say yes, say salary. Now, so we don't get any output here because all these data are written into the file. So we can open that file f12.txt, open the file, see, look at here. So we have these data written into the file. So hope you have understood with fprintf. The next video we will see fscanf, that is how to scan the value from the file. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.